Today guys, we're opening up the newest Scarlet Violet 151 product. It is the mini tins. I have an entire display of 10 tins. We're still chasing a few cards for 151, so let's get cracked straight in and see what we can get. Whoosh! An entire display, 10 tins, each with its own individual artwork. Big thanks to Poker Cards Australia for sending this one out to us. Little tear on it, but that doesn't matter. It's getting opened. It's getting opened. Yeah, check him out, guys. Use my discount code. It'll be on the screen. He's a legend, run by Maddie. You know what? Before we get into that, I'm gonna do my little good luck charm. I'm gonna open a poster box first. These things treated me well in the last 151 opening. Don't forget, guys, I'm giving one of these away. If you go and check the video where I opened the UPC, you will see how to enter that one. Giving away a poster collection box with this very big, lovely poster that we're not going to open today. Go watch the other video, enter the giveaway. 3 lovely promos right there. 3 little packs just to warm us up before we get cracked into the tins. The mini tins. I'm hearing mixed things about the mini tins. I'll tell you that much. Some people are saying they are crazy and cracked with hits. Others aren't getting squat. So once again, batching is obviously a big problem, and we've got ourselves a lovely Squirtle in the illustration rare. I will take it. Very nice. That is a very off-center holographic right there. Ooh, the Squirtle's not, just this one. My goodness, look at that. You can just see the alignment dots on there. Miscuts are cool. That's a miscut. Squirtle's actually worth quite a few dollars right now, so I will take that as well. 151 has been selling like absolute craziness on my store. I had it up for 1 day, my listing with all the reverses and above, ultra rares. It just went bonkers. Almost 300 sold in 24 hours. I made over $1,000 in sales. Absolute madness. People are desperately trying to finish their 151 sets. Maybe it's because they're scared products running out. It does seem like it's getting a bit scarce, especially here in Australia. Weedle, Chansey, and we got lovely holographic energy right there. Alright, last pack for our warm-up. We're going to see what the mini tins are all about. Now, I have opened up a few of them, just individual ones the last couple of weeks. I'm a little bit behind on this one. It has been out for a couple of weeks. Moltres, Poliwrath, Blastoise EX. See, now I can pull this guy. I needed him for ages. He got an alignment dot as well. Also very off-center. Very, very off-center. I wouldn't call that one a miscut though. I've not pulled many holo electric energies either. Lightning energies. So there you go. Not bad. Once again, the poster boxes are providing the goods. That Squirtle's basically making money on what you pay for it anyway. Okay. Let's get cracked into the mini tin case here. I'm going to bring the camera up just a tad here, just so we can sort of see it. So this would be like a display that you'd find in the shops on the shelf. 10 tins, all with their own individual artwork. Open it up like so. There you go, look at that. Beautiful display. Now the cool thing about what they've done with the 151 mini tins is that there are actually 10 artworks on them, 10 different tins. Usually there's 5 artworks and they just have 2 of each. So this is a little bit different. Very nice artwork. I've got another one of these back there that I'm going to be keeping sealed. It's just a cool item to keep sealed, I think. Now, there's more cool stuff about these. So let's take a look at our first one here. We got Scyther with wheezing in the background there. Oh hey, and a hidden Bulbasaur. Didn't notice that. So yeah, cool thing about these tins, guys, is you get a coin in each one of them, and the coin is an energy corresponding to the Pokemon on the front. So as you can see, we've got Scyther, and then we got the Leaf Energy coin, which is really cool. I want to keep a set of these coins, and I'm not really big into the coins normally. And you get a card with the same artwork, which you can use to put together all 10 of them to make a big art piece right there. Might have to do a frame for that, and 2 packs of 151 inside. Now the random tins I've opened, not a huge amount of luck. Wait, I think I did get one that had banger hits in it, but the first few I opened didn't have much of anything. But we got 10 here, surely, unless we've got a bad batch. Aerodactyl, Flareon. We just gotta hope it's a good batch, guys. We just gotta hope we got the good batch. A good batch. Let's go. Still looking for the Charizard, SIR, and the Giovanni. The only two I need. Pidgey, Omanyte, Beedrill. That's nothing for Scyther. Nothing for Scyther. Sorry, buddy. You're not on the board. Next up, we have Machamp featuring Cubone. That's it. That's all the Pokemon on that one. Plastic just slides right off. No need to do anything. There you go. Fighting Energy for Machamp. Very cool. So far, the poster box is winning. Alright, let's go. Come on. Rhyhorn, Tangela. I had a horror story from a workmate of mine that he opened a case of the display of these and got one full art. That's just a scary thought. Dragonite, Jolteon, another Electric Hollow Energy. Boom. One thing for certain, I will be immediately listing all of these on eBay because it is hot. Sales are hot right now. Unbelievable. Alright, let's go. Give you that one. Boom. Come on. We need something. We need something. We're 2 tins in now. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Slowpoke. Shelter. There we go. There we go. Erica's Invitation full art. Don't need it. But it is a lovely hit. Value of this one's actually dropped a fair bit. At the start of the release, 151, it was right up there. The last reverse that I need one more reverse, and that is Kingler. He's the only reverse I need. Pulled near every other one. Okay, guys, this one's not coming off. I have to actually do it the proper way. Boom. So here we have Gengar with Poliwag, which gives us a Dark Energy. Very cool. Put it up there. See what Gengar has. Champ's got the lead right now with his full art Erica. Leftovers, Persian, Muck, Persian, Dragonite again, Moltres, and a Hollow Leaf. That was my second reverse Dragonite in just these few tins. Alright, let's go. Come on. Erica's a good sign. Means there's more hits to be had. Surely. Total, Poliwrath, Hypno, Horsey, Shelter, New EX. Haven't seen this one for a while. Very playable and actually worth a few dollars. Very nice, very nice. We'll take it. Arcanine, here we go. One of my favorite Pokemon. Omanyte there, and we've got Charmander's tail sneakily appearing in the background there, which will give us a lovely fire type energy coin right there. Very cool. Let's go. Arcanine, buddy. The last Arcanine tin I opened was horrid. Horrid. Let's hope this one's a bit better. Oh, that's a good sign. Hollow fire energy right there. Alright, let's go. Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite. Still haven't hit a God pack in 151 either. Seems like everyone else in their dog has. Slowpoke again. All the same reverses. What am I... Fireblade. Even the reverses are batched. Can you believe it? Oof. Anyone else out there really into the 151? Are you collecting it? Have you already finished it? Boom. Let me know how you're going, guys. Have you had any luck with these mini tins? Energy Sticker, Rhydon, Nidoran, another Squirtle. Hey, it's better than my friend did. He said he got nothing in the illustration rare variety. Machamp, we're doing okay. We're doing okay. It's not a total dud batch. Next up we have the lovely Slowpoke featuring Sandslash. Lovely addition to the tins right there. And there we go. Slowpoke giving us our water coin right there. Water type. Just a random tin. Let's give you that one. Do it the proper way. Give you that. Krabby. Sandslash. Seal. Tadubo. Graveler. Protective Goggle. I was trying to do the Pokemon rap. Double Arcanine. I think I've only ever pulled that once. Wartortle. Arbok full art. Very nice, very nice. And we'll be halfway through this display case right here. Give you that one. Give you that one. And we'll go Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Bulbasaur, Bellsprout, another Jolteon. Check out my eBay listing, guys, my store, Lucario's Den. Though by the time this video comes out, I'm imagining these 151 singles be well and truly gone. But if you're in my Discord, I have a Discord too, join that. In my Discord, I immediately alert everyone as soon as my listings go up, so you can get first dibs on anything. Here we go, Magneton, Metal Energy, and of course, if you are a member of the channel, you do get exclusive discount codes, depending on the tier. So that's always good. That's always good. I think the lowest tier is a 10% discount code, which you can't sneeze at. That's a decent. If you're buying something pricey, big order. Machop, Ivysaur, look, another art rare, very nice. I think I've only pulled this once before. I will take it, and we've got a Golem EX right behind it. I'll give you that code card, giving us our first lovely double banger. Doing okay on the hits front here, guys. I've got to say, I was a little nervous, but we're doing okay. Still looking for something nice and big and juicy. Still plenty of time. We're only just getting to the second half of these tins. Give you that Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Tentacruel, Snorlax, Sandslash. We've got a Muck, we've got a Giovanni, and we've got a Gyarados. Next up, we have Electabuzz featuring 3 Magnemites. Crack the seal. And here we'll be getting our electric energy coin right there. Let's keep the hit train going. Let's keep it going. Why not? Why not, guys? We deserve it. We've earned it. Fire energy holo again. There you go. Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu. You won't believe I just did a video before this. Incredibly insane luck. Still coming down from that high. Had to keep going. Pulled the #1 card of the entire modern era. Wigglytuff EX, not that one. Without spoiling too much, go and watch my video where I opened the nostalgia mystery boxes. It'll be worth your time. You will see one shook man in that video. One pull. Incredible, incredible. My luck recently has been absolutely insane, and so that's why I'm trying to ride that train, guys. I'm trying to ride that wave. Opening some more 151. Still looking for the Zard. If there was ever any time I was going to get it, now is the time. Grimer, Starmie, 3 left. We've got Meowth and Hitmonchan. We're going to rip that seal. We've already got fighting energy. I'm guessing we're going to get colorless. Yes, colorless energy coin right there. Come on, Meowth. What can you give us? Something, a little something, something. Boom. Another lightning. I'm getting a lightning energies out the wazoo now. I could never pull lightnings. Now everything is lightning. Scyther, Charmeleon, Parasect, Executor, Bellsprout, Gyarados again. Alright. We've done alright. We've done alright, guys. We're hoping for a little bit something extra. Boom. Would be nice. We've got Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Parasect, Cloyster, Giovanni's, Charisma, Dratini, Moltres. How are we sitting, guys? 2 tins left. We've got 2 art rares, 3 EX, 2 full arts. Let's go. Kudubro. And Hitmonlee. Good old Kadabra getting his own tin. Of course, following his much anticipated return to the TCG. Giving us Psychic coin right there. These coins are just cool, guys. They're just cool. We've got 4 more packs. 4 more packs to get something. 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 Come on. Weedle, Zubat, Nidoran, Rhydon, Rigid Band, Naruto, Ponyta, Scyther, Gengar. Give me that one. Oh, water. Very nice. Come on. Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Persian, Daisy. Nice to see you. Haunter. Do it. Weezing, it's been a dry spell. I think that was 2 whole tins with nothing in them. Dragonite, it all comes down to you. And Vileplume. Boom. Obviously, we're getting our last of the types in this one, which is Dragon type. There you go, right there. You don't need to see all the pictures put together. You've seen it already. I guarantee it. You've already seen it. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. On the road to 5K. Still a ways off. We're over halfway. When we get there, there'll be a big celebratory stream with giveaways and just openings and just going crazy. You know how it is. Consider becoming a member of the channel for as little as $5.99 a month. Monthly member giveaways. They're crazy. They're big. I'm going to start doing other stuff for the members once we get the numbers up a little bit. Tentacruel. Mr. Mime. Guys, if you would like to keep watching, click on one of these other videos. It's popping up on your screen right about now. Have a great day. Good luck with all your own pulls. And I will catch you all in the very next video. See ya. Bye. Nothing.